Qurbani is an act of worship, which reminds us of the great act of sacrifice that the Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail were willing to perform for the sake of Allah. Specifically, it is the annual slaughter of healthy livestock animals, such as sheep, goats, cows, and camels. Qurbani is prescribed upon all Muslims who are of age, are sane, and have the nisab, payable amount of zakat, for every year as applicable. Qurbani is a great reminder to all Muslims of their duty in serving mankind with their time, their energy, and their wealth. It is recommended to keep 1/3 for oneself, gift 1/3 to one's family and friends, and to give 1/3 in charity to needy and deserving people. Fulfill your Islamic obligation with Al-Khair Foundation and be a part of what will be the largest Qurbani distribution on behalf of Muslims in the UK. Together, this Eid al Adha, we will provide fresh, nutritious Qurbani meat to over 2.5 million deserving people in Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Bring smiles and change lives. This Eid al Adha by calling now on 03000 999 786 or process your donation online at alkhair.org.